So if you are like working on a new page or making updates to an existing one, and you don't want it to be visible to the visitors yet, you can hide it temporarily. And I'm going to show you in this video how you can hide a page on Wix website builder. So what you're going to have to do here is to go here to pages and menu. And then here we're going to click on this. We have side menu, and then here we have all the pages from here. We have here the pages. Let's say I like to hide the members. So I'm going to click on the three dots here, and then here we have hide from menu. And now it's hidden, is not located there anymore. You can also go to settings here, and then here you have hide from menu, and of course you can hide from here. You also have here a couple of settings. If you want to make this your home page, you can click on set. You have layout here. If you want to hide the no footer, no header nor footer, you can click on here, and the footer just got removed. Now permissions, you can also who can access this? Everyone. You can also add a password and some SEO options here for the title, also advanced SEO, and that's pretty much it. So I hope you found this short video helpful, and thanks for watching. If you want to unhide, you just click on here. This is hidden, and here you have show in page, and then you have hide from menu, or if you want to show in page. So yeah, I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching, and take care.